Let us continue with chapter 5, exercise 5a, arithmetic arithmetic progression, question number 13. We have the sequence an given by n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3. We have to show that the first three terms, they are 0. Then the remaining, they are positive term. That means ending with positive. So what we do, we will put the value for n equal, because they say three terms. So n equal 1, n equal 2, n equal 3, n equal 4. Then we will try to check how is the result. So you see, if you put n equal 1, then you get 1 minus 1, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 3. So here 1 minus 1 become 0. So everything is 0. So that means A1 is 0. Then if you put for A2, here we have 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2 again. 2 minus 2, 0. 0 into everything will become 0. Then A3, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3, 0. 0 into anything will become 0. Then if we put for n equal 4, then we will have A4 will be 4 minus 1, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 3. So you see, 4 is greater than 1, 4 is greater than 2, 4 is greater than 3. So after we minus, if we multiply, we will get the value to be positive. Okay, so in that way you see, we can get A4 equal to 6. So if you replace it 5 also, 5 is greater than 1, 5 is greater than 2, 5 is greater than 3. That means all will become positive. So if you take the other value also, since they are greater than 1, greater than 2, greater than 3, there will be no chance of minus sign. So from here it is clear that, okay, if we put for n1, 2, 3, we get the value 0 because they are less or equal to 3. Whereas we have 4 which is greater than 3, then they all become positive. Then next we'll see for number 14, we have the Fibonacci sequence here. A1 already given to be 1, A2 also given 1. Then we have an equal an minus 1 plus an minus 2 for n greater than 2. That means because A1 already here, A2 already here. Next mean we have to do for n equal 3, n equal 4, n equal 5, n equal 6, like already given here. Okay, so after we find those from here, we have to find the value of an plus 1 by an. So let us see, A1 we already get, A2 we already get. So let us try to find A3, A4, A5 from here, okay, to see what did we get. So there, if we put n equal 3. So here we see it will become a 3 minus 1, then plus a 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 1 we get 2, 3 minus 2 we get 1. Then a2 we already have from here is equal to 1. A1 we already have equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 it is equal to 2. Then next, again in that general one, we put n equal 4. So 4 minus 1 will be A3. Then 4 minus 2, A2. So A3 you have from here 2. A2 you have from here 1. So 2 plus 1 will be 3. Then if we put for n equal 5 in the general one, 5 minus 1 will be 4. 5 minus 2 will be 3. A4 we already have from here 3. A3 we have 2. So 3 plus 2 equal 5. Okay. Then next for n equals 6. So 6 minus 1, 6 minus 2. We have A5, A4. A5 we have from here equal 5. A4 from here. So 5 plus 3 will be equal to 8. We get those. Next we have to find for an plus 1 by n. The value they already give there. Okay. We have to find an plus 1 divided by n. N already given to us to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if suppose n equal 1 we put here in general term, it will be 1 plus 1 divided by A1. Put little down. 1 plus 1, we have A2, A1. Then A2 already given to us equal to 1. A1 also given to 1. So 1 divided by 1, we have 1. Then if we put for n equal 2, it will become A2 plus 1 by A2. 2 plus 1, we have A3 by A2. A2 we already have from here, no? Equal to 1. A3 we already calculated. A3 we already calculated. It is equal to 2. So that means we will get 2 by 1. 2 divided by 1, we get 2. So like that we continue for n equal 3. So we will have 3 plus 1 become A4 by A3. Then A4 we already calculated this side 3. Then A3 we have already calculated 2. So it will become 3 by 2. We cannot cancel, leave it. Then here 4 plus 1 will be A5 by A4. A5 already calculated 5. A4 3. 5 by 3. We cannot cancel, let it be. N equal 5 will be 5 plus 1 6. A6 already calculated 8. A5 we calculate 5. We cannot cancel. So those are the terms. Then next we have number 15. Here we have from this one you can see we can break it to part. 2n will be 0 if n is odd number. Okay. Then here we will have tn equal 1 if n is even number. Then here they give us 21st and 42. N equal 21st. 21st we know it is odd number. So that means T21, since it is odd number, it will be equal to 1. Okay, because they give n is odd. Then next we have n equal 42. 42 we know it is even number because we can divide by 2, which means that T42 it is equal to 1. Okay, why that happened? Because 42 is even number. We will move on to number 16. Here we have Tn equal an square plus bn plus c. Then they give us T2 equal 3, T4 equal 13, T7 equal 113. So we need to show that 3 times Tn equal to 17n square minus 18n plus 115. Compare these two. We have to show that A equal 17, B equal minus 87, C equal 115. Where to show? We have to make use this one. T2 equal 3, T4 equal 13, T7 equal 113. Since we have 3 terms, we can get 3 equations. Then from there, we will solve them. Okay? Because if we compare from here, since we have T2, so then in place of n, we can put 2 equal to 3, one equation. Here we have T4, that means in place of n we can replace 4 to get another equation. Here we have T7, in place of n we can put 7 to get another equation. So using those equations we can plus minus to get the 3 equations, so that we will find the value of A to be 17 something, B equal to minus 87, C equal to 115. So let us do it. Then, like I already told you, already given to us T2 equal n. So in place of this n, we can put with 2. So it will become, in place of n, we put 2. So A 2 square plus B into 2 plus C. Then T2 already given to us to be 3. So here we can put 3. Okay, 2 into 2 for A, 2B plus C. We cannot do anything, leave it as equation 1. Then again, because they give us T4, in place of n we can put 4. Replace in the general one. Okay, replace the general one. It will become A into 4 square plus B into 4 plus C. So T4 already given from here equal to 13. We can put 13. 4 into 4, 16A plus 4B plus C. We cannot do anything. Name it as equation 2. Then we have T7. So in place of n we can put 7 in the general one. A 7 into 7 plus B into 7 plus C. 7 into 7, 49. T7 already given to be 113. Now, in order to get one of those value, because ABC, we need to get 1, 1. So if we check equation 1, we have plus C. If we check equation 2, we have plus C. To remove C, we can subtract them, okay? So if you subtract equation 1 and equation 2, when we say subtract, then we'll do left with left, right with right. So here, because equation 2 is greater, we can do equation 2 minus equation 1. So we will have 13 minus 3, then 16, this is from equation 2, okay, minus, put equation 1 inside bracket, 4a plus 2b plus c. Then this one we can write as is, this one we can multiply the minus inside. Minus to plus, minus to plus, minus to plus become minus. Plus c minus c we can cancel. So 16a minus 4a we get 12a. 4b minus 2b we get 2b. Here we see all are even, so we can cancel with 2 to make the number smaller. So 5 equals 6a plus b. Okay, make this as equation 4. Then we can separate b and a here. B we take this side, this is plus, take that side become minus. So equation 4. Then now let's see to get another equation related to b and a. We finish 1 and 2. Let us minus 2 and 3 because we have plus C plus C. So from there also we can remove C, okay? Here equation 3 is greater. So we can do equation 3 minus equation 2. So 113 minus 13, okay? Left with left, right with right. Then equation 3 write it as it is. Equation 2 put it first inside bracket. Then 113 minus 13 we get 100. So 49 as it is. This one we into inside. Minus into plus, minus into plus, minus into plus. So we become minus. So plus C minus C cancel. 49 minus 16A we get 33A. Then 7B minus 4B. 7 is greater. So we are left with 3B. Then now B we already get from here. So we can replace it there, okay? The rest remains same. So 3 into 5, 15. 3 into 6, 18. Then this one has no A, bring this side. Plus, take this side, become minus. 33 minus 18, we get 15. 100 minus 15, we get 85. So A will be 85. This is in 2. Take this side, divide, okay? So there we can cancel. So leave it 17 by 3. Now we get A. So let's replace here to get B, okay? So B equal 5 minus 6 into 17 by 3. There. Actually, we can cancel here. But if you see from here, we want 87. So no need to cancel. Let it be like that, okay? 6 into 17, we have 102. We take LCM 1 and 3, 3. 1 divide 3, 3. 3 into 5, 15. This one same, we get 102. So 102 minus 17, 87. 102 is greater. We have minus, okay? Those. So now A we get, B we get, we have to find C. So let us replace either in equation 1 or equation 2, okay? So let's replace it in equation 1. Here in place of A, we get 17 by 3. In place of B, this C we still 1, leave it there. So 4 into 17, 68. Then 2 into minus 87, 174. We want C, transfer all this that side. This is plus, become minus. This is minus, it will become plus. So here we find LCM, 1, 3, 3. LCM will be 3. 1 divide 3, 3. 3 into 3, 9. 3 divide 3, 1. There, okay? Same. So here this 2 we plus, then we minus. We get 115 by 3. So let us replace it in Tn. Because we have replaced, we have to prove Tn, okay? A we know 17 by 3. B we know minus 87 by 3. C we know 115 by 3. We find LCM, then we cross multiply. So if you see, we get what we want.